Hi there, it's KMC here, coming to you from the KMC University Help Desk. We find that we get a lot of questions about the evaluation and management CPT codes that are called consultation codes. Now, you find them in the same category as new patients and established patients since they're E&M codes, but we get a lot of questions about what it means. Now, let's keep in mind in our profession, we use the term consultation a lot of different ways. One of the ways is that when we see a new patient, we bring them in, and essentially the gathering of history we call the consultation. These are not the same things. The other way that we use consultation is often a free consultation, and that's where we simply say anyone can come in and talk to the doctor without any charge, figure out whether or not you might be a good fit for chiropractic care, and those consultations are also a very different thing. Of course, we don't recommend these consultation codes that I'm going to talk about for either one of those two things. But when we use consultation codes, which from the CPT book are essentially codes that are between the numbers, if you just look at the numbers, they're between 99242 to 99245 and 99252 up to 99255. Essentially, their official wording is evaluation and management services performed by a physician when another physician or other appropriate source has requested an opinion on an evaluation or for a recommendation of care for a specific condition or problem. They are not used to be consultations requested by patient or family. There must be an outside referral from another physician and a completed evaluation and report sent back to that referring physician. When you're talking about the specifics of what we do in chiropractic, as you can see, this would be very unusual. Now, should you have that situation and you elect to use one of these codes, make sure that you understand it would be in lieu of the standard E&M service codes 9920X or 9921X. This is a replacement, if you will. And again, you can accept the patient after the consultation and assume care, but they are not to be used for the standard history taking or free consultation or what we call the pre-acceptance interview. Much safer, and I hope that you'll use something like that. So when you hear consultation codes, just know that that's exactly the way that they should be used.